Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Storage is always a challenge for me in my craft room. But if you love washi as much as I do, this Totally Tiffany Shelly Buddy Bag is an excellent solution to organize, store, and even travel with. It works great to store my thicker washi as well as my thinner rolls. And I store other things in them as well. I got multiple because I just loved how well they worked. I have little jars of glitter that I'm able to put in them. I just am always finding ways to use this Shelly Buddy bag. And the fact that it's clear really helps me to see what I have. It saves me time when I'm trying to find things, and it also helps me not buy duplicate items as well. And the Velcro closure is super strong, so it holds things very nicely. And I also love the handle at the end. It makes it easy to grab, whether it's lying flat on a shelf or a desk, or if I'm putting it vertically in my bag, it's easy just to reach in and grab that little handle. And the clear plastic is very strong and a high quality. I love being organized. I love being able to know where things are in my craft room. And this Totally Tiffany Shelly Buddy Bag helps me to do that. And that's my point of view.